Can't say he lit. Tell him, I was lit. Man, say, man, my nigga Rich P, man, watch bitch, don't watch me. You heard that?
You don't even know what this shit cost, babe. I say you don't even know what I done spent for what I bought, babe. I know I'm the one lately who been fucking up your thoughts, babe. So you know I gotta make you pay for every thought, babe. You don't even know what this shit cost, babe.
Bad as fuck, bro. I almost fell. But with that being said, let me see. Bro, I just lost my wide lens again. I literally just bought it for this trip, and I just lost it again, bro. It was going through the metal detector, and I think the metal detector had like magnets. I think the magnets sucked it up, bro. Cause it's stuck in there now. I'm so sad about that shit, man. I'm so sad about that, bro. Like, damn, and then the escalators only go up, so you can't even go backwards to get it. So even if I wanted to go get it, I still couldn't go get it. So now I'm just stuck with this lens. And I gotta order another one now. But my biggest pet peeve with this thing is, bro, it's like, the magnet is not magnetic enough. Like, the magnet's not strong enough to really hold that lens on there. Like, it's a big ass lens, so it's easy for it to just fall off. But the magnet, bro, don't really hold it on there, bro. And like, it could hit one little thing and it will fall off. And it's so small to where like when it falls, you won't hear that shit fall, bro. And that's what be pissing me off. It's like you can't even hear it fall when it falls. But I'm about to get some breakfast right now. I don't know what I'm about to get yet. I don't know where I'm at right now. I'm in this big ass like breakfast. There's like a whole bunch of food everywhere for real. Like, I don't know, but see, if I had my wide lens, you'd be able to see a lot more. Y'all can't even see everything right now, bro. I'm mad right now because I lost my wide lens. But I'm about to find some food. Everything looks pretty damn good. It's about lunchtime, so everything looks good. They got pizza. They got a noodle bar bit. They got Dunkin'. It ain't breakfast for real, but Dunkin' just sound like the most easiest thing to eat for real. So I might end up just getting some Dunkin' for real, I ain't gonna lie. I need that wide lens, bro. Y'all can't even see the beauty of what's going on. Like, I gotta extend my damn arm so far, and everybody looking at me like I'm crazy because I don't wanna pay bills using a 9 to 5. That's how they looking at me, but it's fine. We'll go to Dunkin', man. Dunkin's the easiest thing for us to eat, bro. And then we're gonna edit this YouTube video. We in Dunkin'. Lifestyle, honestly. I'm mainly a photographer, but I do a lot of like lifestyle content and travel content, basically.
Oh, really?
Yeah, a lot of travel content.
Where are you traveling from here?
I'm about to go to Florida right now.
That's where I'm going.
Oh yeah, literally. Oh, that's crazy. Yeah.
Where are you going in Florida, Miami?
Nah, I'm going to Orlando.
Oh, really?
Orlando, yeah.
Going to what, like
Going to
Disney?
Orlando. Nah, it's just like my studio's there, so I'm
really?
going back there for my studio. Yeah,
That's
I came up here for some work, and then I might go back down there. Yeah. Crazy weekend. I don't know what I want. You guys, I have no idea what I want. I just know that everything looks good. They got sugar, bacon, snacks, somethings. All right, so they have a lot of stuff. We want breakfast sandwiches, right? I'm gonna do croissant, sausage, egg, and cheese, bacon, egg, and cheese. Main menu. Frozen. For everyone who doesn't know, this is a business expense. So you can use your business card to expense this food because you're buying it while on a business trip. You know what I'm saying? You guys don't know that. I just put you on. But make sure that you save your receipt. So you take this receipt and you scan this receipt in your QuickBooks. So you guys have QuickBooks, you can scan the receipt in your QuickBooks, and that'll allow you to be able to write it off on your taxes. But you have to make sure that you're writing off on your taxes only on the trip that you actually took. So after you take a trip or during the trip, make sure that whatever you buy during that same time as the trip, you're able to write off. So yeah, so save your receipts. You can scan them. Those QuickBooks Online allows you to scan them, so you can scan your receipts. But I also save mine. Like I fold them, like the ink is on the inside. I fold them inside out because I don't want the ink to like spill or anything like that. But then you can like scan them so like that. So I'm about to scan mine right now using QuickBooks and show you guys how I do it. Make sure that you want to be on like a dark surface. So for example, this right here is a dark enough surface against the white. I want to get my QuickBooks app out on my phone. So the app is called QuickBooks Self-Employed. You're gonna hit the little plus, you're gonna hit snap receipt. Now when it's time to snap the receipt, it'll automatically scan it for you. It'll pull up the receipt like this and it'll scan it. And once it scans that receipt, you're able to use this photo and it'll save this receipt. So now when like tax time comes around, it'll have like a whole bunch of your receipts just saved up together for you to be able to write them off on your taxes, to be able to save and do all that different stuff. So yeah, QuickBooks Online is one of the amazing things for you to be able to use. And yeah, I actually love the app, honestly. So they have like Keeper and a whole bunch of other apps you're able to use too. But QuickBooks has been my favorite, and then I use Acuity for scheduling my clients, stuff like that. But 100% Keeper and 100% QuickBooks. I use QuickBooks though, because QuickBooks, I haven't had QuickBooks directly like connects with it directly connects with the TurboTax. So with TurboTax, you're able to go directly through there. And yeah, I just like that because it seamlessly connects. So when it's time to do taxes, it already kind of like does it for you, and you don't have to really do too much when tax time comes around. You kind of just gotta like, you know, go on the app and be like, time to do taxes, and it already like kind of helps you be able to like categorize the different expenses. So whatever you buy, it'll ask you, was this a business expense? Yes or no, and ask you what type. Was it like, you know what I'm saying, maybe it was gas, maybe it was travel, maybe it was lodging, maybe it was food, maybe it was meals, maybe it was uniform, maybe it was, you know, any other business expenses. They have all those, taxes, tolls. They have everything on there for you to be able to switch through, and it'll automatically categorize it for you, and it'll tell you when the transaction happened and shit of that nature. But we're about to go ahead and pick up our coffee. Sorry about that. Sure, we got that, man. Meow, meow, meow. All right, now it's time to just kind of wait. I still have an hour and a half until the flight, but we chilling, we vibing. We got our food now. We about to just like go back and sit down. I have an hour and a half left. I'm about to do some editing. I hope their Wi-Fi is pretty straight. I'm gonna do a speed test and see how fast their Wi-Fi is. And yeah, we're flying American today, you guys. So we're vibing pretty good. Bacon, egg, and cheese. About to bust that down on a croissant sandwich. I should have got some. Damn, I should have got some like, what's some things called? Like, y'all know what they're called, bro. They're called, y'all know what they're called. They're called LOL. I should have got some hash browns, man. But I ain't get no hash browns. I got me an ice, yeah. Oh, I forgot my water bottle, bro. I had bought a Nivian a water bottle too. Damn, I forgot. Let me go back and get that. Yeah. This is my homie from high school, bro. Yeah. This shit is insane, bro. Yeah. What are you doing up here?
This is our layover.
Layover? Oh, okay. That makes sense. Damn, but like, what are the odds? What are the odds though, like time-wise? Like, this is like crazy. It's pretty insane.
Definitely crazy.
Definitely insane. It's a good scene.
Big ass airport.
Big ass fucking airport. And I literally just forgot my water at Dunkin'. Yeah. Like I already had went that way, and then I came back.
You hopping on the flight now?
Yeah.
Where you going?
I'm about to go back to Orlando. Cause I've been here since Wednesday.
We're going back to West Palm, so.
Yeah. North Carolina, bro. Great seeing you too, bro. Damn, bro. Love. You know what I'm saying? Not real shit, bro. Great, bro. Like, let me get another.
Yeah.
Love, man.
I see what you're doing,
yeah,
bro.
man. I see. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Thank you, bro. You know what I'm saying? Hey. This bitch dropping. That bitch dropping. Bro, that's my homie from high school, fam. That's insanity. Hey, I ain't gonna lie. Y'all remember, I literally had to walk back to go get my water. I would not have seen, bro, if I didn't have to go get back my water. That's crazy. I turned around. He was like, what? Taxi? Yeah, that's crazy. That's insane. I ain't gonna lie, that's love, man. Damn. Bro, what are the odds of seeing somebody that you know in this big ass airport? Like at this exact time. Y'all weren't even coming the same direction. Y'all weren't going the same place, but still seeing each other. It's insane, fam. Wow, I ain't gonna lie. That's crazy. My boy Malik, man. If y'all ain't none of y'all from the old tube days. Like when I first started YouTube, bro. From the old YouTube days, bro, the King Taxi days, bro. He was from there, bro. Like when we were back in high school, bro. Like when I used to vlog in high school, before I even got this far, he was like in the first videos, bro. So he definitely was like, bro, making an appearance in that video. It's crazy, bro. I ain't gonna lie, that's insane. Seeing them, like, what are the odds of seeing them, bro? That's insane, bro. So, iPad got left. Had to come all the way back to get it. We got it though. And now we're sweating and we're hot. And things of that nature. But We're good.
I say you don't even know what I done spent for what I bought, babe. I know I'm the one lately who been fucking up your thoughts, babe. So you know I gotta make you pay for every thought, babe. I'ma come through at my touch like salt, babe. Don't believe them other hoes, cause tell the truth, they want your spot, babe. She say I could get a love, but it's gon' cost me. You could keep it, I don't need it. Lately I've been feeling bossy. She talking about love, but what is that? That's what she lost me. Just tryna go round for round, I beat her back like Ronda Rousey. I'ma pay the tab, cause tell the truth, that shit ain't cost me. All I know is cheesy, got me feeling like a mouse. You don't even know what this shit cost, babe. I said you don't even know what I done spent for what I bought, babe. I know that lately I'm the one who fucking up your thought, babe. So you know I gotta make you pay for every thought, babe. You don't even know what this shit cost, babe. I say you don't even know what I done spent for what I bought, babe.
It is now the next day, bro. I got back yesterday, and I tried to get straight to editing, bro, and I crashed out, bro. Like, bro, I was so tired, bro. I literally didn't want to do nothing but lay down. It's not like I didn't want to. You ever, like, try to force yourself to be productive or try to force yourself to, like, edit or whatever, and you just can't. It's like no matter how hard you try, you dead ass just cannot do it. Like, bro, I was trying so hard for myself to edit, and it was just like it wasn't working, bro. And I was like, I just kept trying and kept trying and kept trying. And I was like, yeah. I was like, I'm forcing myself to do this for no reason. I was like, I'm forcing myself to do this for no reason. And I was like, the more and more I keep doing it, the less progress I'm gonna make because I was wasting time. So like, I wasn't actually resting. I was prolonging my rest. Whereas if I was to just get home, lay down, rest, I probably would have been rested up way faster. But being that I got home, his nails are really sharp. But being that I got home, tried to edit, then put all my clothes away, then wash clothes, and then tried to keep editing, and I wasn't making no real progress, that's what messed me up even more because it's like I wasn't making no real progress. You know what I'm saying? So I was like editing, and then like I was tired, but editing tired, but I'm still up using my brain and forcing it to work. So I'm prolonging my recuperation. I'm prolonging my brain's like you see what I'm saying? You see what I'm talking about? I'm prolonging it, like prolonging the healing of my body, prolonging my rest. So that was a problem, but I just woke up not too long ago. I have a shoot. Crazy, right? Literally the next day after the flight. Like, I've had flights where I got off the flight at 1 and I had to shoot at like 5. I've had days like that. Them days I'd be delusional. I'd just be going through the motions and I'd be like, hey, bro, like my mind be gone, but I'd be like, hey, I'm here. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, but we have a auntie who's gonna have her niece and nephew, and she's gonna be doing a shoot with them too. So that should be pretty cute today for us to do. And yeah, I'm gonna bring you guys along for that. Is the battery thing messed up? There we go. Bring you guys along for that, and that should be pretty cool. And then we have a Valentine's Day shoot tonight that I'll also bring you guys along for. That's not until 7 at night. But yeah. So that's the vibes. We have hella clients to do. We still have to finish this entire list of people we done got back. We went on that vacation, I guess, but it was still work. And then we came back with a list of people that we got to knock off. So that's my goal today, is to get some food, bunker down in the crib, and knock off hella humans. So yeah. But I thank you guys so much for staying with me, you know what I'm saying, on this journey, this crazy ride, you know what I'm saying, of me trying to find my purpose and hopefully inspiring you guys to do the same. So yeah, it's really only up from here. So I appreciate you guys. I love you guys. And yeah, I don't know if this is until next time or this is a continuation of this vlog. I don't know yet. We'll figure out in a minute. But yeah. You guys don't understand how happy I am to be home. Like, it's insane. Like, it's crazy, bro. But I just finished the photo shoot. I'm gonna show you guys some of the pictures so you don't think I'm capping. Real raw, unfiltered around this bitch. These are some of the photos right here. It was a auntie with her nieces and nephews for Valentine's Day. But yeah, these are all cool. Just finished that up, and now I'm about to clean up the studio because I told you guys I was trying to make this space right here for like podcasts, like this little portion right here, make it something and put it up and like actually, you know what I'm saying? So I'm about to start like getting the stuff that's trash out of the way so I can start actually using it for the podcast space. I'm gonna start getting this wall ready to like literally use to be able to film my episodes right here. So yeah, we're gonna see what we can do. What's up, Familia? We got the set all together, man. We're about to go ahead and start shooting. I got the spotlight on right now. We're gonna kind of play around with like this little, like light-hearty, real like ooh vibes. So yeah. But I'm gonna see exactly how I want to kind of play around with the lighting. What it do, Familia? Today we have this little TikTok light and we're gonna be utilizing it to take some really cool photos. I set this up right here. All of this right here is from Walmart, you guys. We got 4 different little sheets of satin. This is satin dark pink that we're gonna be using for the background. I'm gonna be using one light setup. This is gonna be my spotlight right here. I'm gonna be using this as well to get some accents on my subject.
Freaking nasty bitch, I make her kick rocks. I say I'm on the way, I'm talking to the top. I just push the gas so I can't never stop. I stay in my bag so I can't never flop. Pretty spitting lyrics, I'ma get them dropped. These bitch keep asking for the lean, she know I'm finna drop. They see I'm going up, they say I'm finna pop. I've been cooking up, I need a bigger pot. Damn, gas to the face, shit, I can't even talk. Look in my body, I can't even rock. I got blues in my pocket, I might crip walk.